Let's skip the fluff and get straight to the installation so that we can finish it in 2 minutes. Let's start. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T to open a new terminal. Now let's source our ROS2. I have multiple versions of ROS available in my system, so it is must to verify we are on the correct ROS2 environment. Let's verify it by using the command where is ROS2. Now before installation, let's run our usual stuff, sudo apt update, and give your password. I'm fast forwarding here, it will take a bit more time based on your last update. So now it will be finishing in my PC. So it is done. Once the update is completed, use the command sudo apt install ROS2 chassis Navigation2. This command to install Navigation2 package. If you are using any other version of ROS2, you can mention this name instead of the chassis. Replace the chassis and put your version of ROS2. If it is Humble, you can put Humble or whatever package you are using. And the fun part is like it took me like hours to install this navigation stack. I don't know, is it because the stack is that big or my internet is just that? Please let me know in comments like how much time it took for you to install this. Once the navigation stack is installed, we will be installing Python common packages. Use the command sudo apt install python 3 common extensions. Of course, I am trying out tab to autocomplete the command. In my system, it is already installed, that's why it is not installing again. It will be doing installation in your PC. Also, we should install git by using the command sudo apt install git. This is necessary as we will be cloning GitHub repositories in the next stage. So we have successfully installed the Nav2 stack and the necessary tool to support our learning and testing. We'll get into the gazebo and other stuffs in the next video. See you on the next video.